Hello YouTube, this is Kyle. I got this in the mail today. It's from Hatchbox. I got 2 rolls of filament. I got the Performance PLA orange and transparent red PLA. I'm only doing an unboxing video because I always tell myself, hey, why isn't there not an unboxing video of this? Or why is there not a review of this? When I look at stuff on the internet, and then I never make the review, and I'm like, oh, that's why, because no one wants to. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to actually do it. Well, I'm going to do the unboxing right now. Hopefully, I'll do a review of what the actual filaments look like later, and like if I encountered any problems with them. I don't think I will, because, you know, people have used Hatchbox for how many years now, and it's like when you think of 3D printing filaments, it's one of the main brands people think of. But anyway, like I said, this video is not going to be a review of the filament. It's just going to be an unboxing. And, you know, sometimes that does matter, like how well they package it, especially when you get 2. And I recommend you get 2, because it seems like there's always a 10% sale if you buy 2 or more. From their specific website, not on Amazon. Amazon has less stock than the actual website does, I think. At least the ones I wanted. Well, maybe, I don't know. I just went to Hatchbox because they had the sale, and I was too lazy to research on Amazon any further. Okay. Let's see what's inside. You know, I gotta do this one take, because, you know, no matter how bad it is now, I just opened the box. I'm not going to pretend I didn't open the box. Alright. Hatchbox PPLA. Performance Polylactic Acid. You know what that means? I hope you do, because I don't. No, I'm kidding. I bought it because I wanted to see what the difference was. Oh, there's the color. Orange. I guess I can put this nice Ace hardware brand knife away. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's patented. Oh, there we go. Patented. Yeah, I can't see the video at the same time, so I can only hope that it's louder, or loud enough, like my other video wasn't. If you are a fan of the channel, which all 5 of you I hope are. Okay, here's a normal PLA, transparent red, normal Hatchbox PLA, 1.75, because I got my under 3 there. There's nothing else in the box. Well, there's this thing in the box. I'm pretty sure it's just a receipt. Yeah. Normal box. Pretty nifty box, you know. A little banged up, but, you know, free shipping. I don't care. It's not like this stuff's gonna break any way. It's in another box. Anyway, I bought these. Let's see if I can get it in frame. You know what this is, right? It's an Ender 3. I guess I can move the camera now. Get it off my weird stand. My little Ender 3. I got a new... I don't know if anyone can tell. Let me try this. I'm filming on a Moto Z4. This is all dusty. I just brought it back from college. I got a new heating element in there. All this. It's why it looks like it's all jank. MacGyver probably rewired this. Anyway, I also gotta fix that. There's a little scratch. I hate myself for that. Anyway, anyone who's seen, going back all the way back to that, anyone who's seen the only other video on my channel knows that I'm terrible with audio. So let's hope this one's good. So I guess we can just open them up. Put this back. Yeah. Okay. I'm doing this all improvised because 1, I'm not a creator of content, and 2, I just got it today. Ugh. All the dust. I am very messy. I'm sorry. I highly apologize. Deeply apologize. I'm sorry. Okay. Jeez. Whoa. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. Hatchbox wholesale. Yeah, the Discounted rates means you get 10% off for buying more than one. At least that's what I've seen. Unless this is a whole different thing. I didn't look at it yet. Well, even if you're not buying wholesale, you can get 10% off, which is more than tax in my state. If you happen to come across this and you're not from the United States, then I guess that doesn't really matter. But hey, whatever. Vacuum sealed. I know the video won't do it justice, but it looks gorgeous in there. I'm not taking it out yet because I'm not using it. I will take it out when I start printing with it, though. You can rest assured of that. Oh, here we go. Oh, limited time. Yeah, okay. It's like one of those things where they have a countdown clock on their website, which they don't. It's just it's the same kind of analogy, and then the countdown, when it gets to 0, it just resets. It's like a GIF or GIF, you know. I'm not gonna offend anyone. A GIF, graphical. I don't know what it stands for. I'm only in year 2 of my software engineering. Well, I'm actually a computer engineer, but I'm doing software and electronics. Anyway, let's do this one. I do like that there was no tape. I like that. I mean, the whole box was taped closed, so whatever. No, that's an orange. That's orange. You can... That's orange, yeah. It is indeed orange. It is very orange, actually. The reason I got this orange is because, one, it was the only one in stock for PPLA. PP. Anyway, 2, it's Nerf orange. If you didn't... Well, it kind of looks like Nerf orange. So if I wanted to make like a little, homemade Nerf gun, just paint over the non-orange parts, and boom. It's already a Nerf gun. So, I mean, I guess... that's really all I got. I hope you like this little, I hope you enjoy how crappy this setup is, with all the fucking marks on my desk. Excuse me, pardon my French. I'm trying to keep this family friendly. It's not like anyone's gonna see it, but yeah, my desk looks terrible, and I hope you find amusement in that. I hope you find this useful at all. You can stop watching now, because I will not be giving any other useful information. But yeah, Hatchbox. I use these at work. They're good. Everyone knows they're good. I guess if enough people actually want to see a video of like these specifically, I don't know if there's any videos on YouTube of these specifically. Like the transparent red. I know there's transparent PLA on there. I don't know if it's Hatchbox. I know it's not red. It's all clear stuff, and how to make clear prints. But this stuff, I know there's performance PLA reviews out there, but I'll still post something, a little something. Maybe I'll just remake the dog twice in one of the filaments each. So I guess if enough people want to see that, I'll do that and I'll post it. If not, thanks for at least watching this 9 minutes of wasted time, or more than 9 minutes. I hope you found some amusement in it. I hope these turn out well for me. A little selfish, but yeah, a little greedy. But I hope my $50 purchase was worth it. But yeah, that's it for today. Be sure not to like and subscribe, because it will be useless, because I don't make content. And leave a comment telling me how my audio was this time, because I said in my next video I would fix it. And let's hope this isn't blasting your speakers out, and it's also not like unintelligible. So yeah, have a good day, night, or whatever you want to call it, whenever time you're listening to this. Have a good 4 a.m. If you happen to come across this and you're like, Anyway, hi Mom, bye Mom, and have a good day.